In this video, I will show you how to connect Tableau with Salesforce. First, log into your Tableau account. Next, open a new tab and go to the Tableau website. On the left side, you will see a menu list. Scroll all the way down until you find the Settings button, then click on it to open. Once you're on the Settings board, click on Integrations from the list. Now, scroll down until you see the section for Salesforce workbooks and data sources, then click on Connect to Salesforce. A Salesforce login pop-up will appear. Here you can input your Salesforce credentials, your username and password, and then authorize the connection. Once you've successfully logged in, Tableau will automatically link with your Salesforce account. And that's how to connect Tableau with Salesforce.